This is all the wastage from over 1,000 hours of 3D printing. Right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the skull mould, fill them up and put them in a little mini oven and see if I can make use of it. So what I did was I bought the second-hand oven just to give this a go, and all this stuff, which is from brooms, I'm going to just cut down and make it slightly smaller. So I've just cut it down a little bit smaller. It's really messy doing it with a pair of scissors, so it might be better to actually put it in the shredder. Now I'm just going to put it in the mould and put it in the oven, if I can work out how to use this thing, and see what happens. Just shove this in here. I can just start with that, and then if I have to add more, I'll just add more as it melts. So just stick this in the oven, see how it turns out. Well, at least I've now got the oven working, and it looks like it's already starting to melt, so maybe 20 minutes might be too long. So just leave it in there, see how it goes. Oh, so you can see how much, if you look inside, how much it's already shrunken down, and that's not even 10 minutes. Sorry about the noise, but I've got the printer running as usual. Over 10 minutes. Let's have a look and see what it's looking like. Wow, all that I put in there has gone down to there. So leave it a little bit longer and then put some more in. So I've just switched it off. I'm just going to let it cool down a bit, and then I'm going to put a little more in there. Shows you all that I put in has gone down to that small amount. So I've just filled it up again, and I'll put it on for another 10 or 20 minutes and see how much more it melts down. If you do this, make sure that the moulds cools down so you don't burn yourself before you start filling it back up again. So after most probably about 8 fills, we finally get into the top. So I'm just going to add a bit more and put it back on again. So it's almost to the top. I'll most probably put some in a few more times, and then hopefully that should be it. So I've filled it up again, hopefully the last time. And if you can see that bit. Right, so it's completely filled up now. I don't know how many times I filled it up. It's probably about 10 times. So I'll let it cool down and then take it out the mould and see what it looks like. So there it is out. It actually stays warm for quite a long time. The oven's gone cold and this is still really warm. So just be careful if you do this. It does get hot and it stays hot for quite a long time. So once it's cooled down, I'll take the moulding off and see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is cooled down. It took quite a while to cool down, so I'm just going to demould it and then see what it looks like. I'm obviously going to have to do something with the bottom, so I'm probably just cut it off or something. Wow, actually came out really well. It's got bubbles in it. Yeah, it actually came out. Looks really cool. So this is the finished skull. I put some glitter around the bottom of it just to make it look nicer. And underneath I've sanded it down